to mislead. This is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel. Please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the loving, cause loving needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the loving, cause loving needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. 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 You can let me know. You know I will show. Now we're sipping the Bordeaux. With you through it all, winter through the fall. You just make the call. Yeah, I'm in it for it all. I'm in it for the loving, cause loving needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the loving, cause loving needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. 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 For the love. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love. Don't want to mislead. This is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel. Please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the loving, cause loving needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the loving, cause loving needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. 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 For the love. I'm in it 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 for the love. Even when you're low, you can let me know. You know I will show. Now we're sipping the Bordeaux. With you through it all, winter through the fall. You just make the call. Yeah, I'm in it for it all. I'm in it for the loving, cause loving needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the loving, cause loving needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. I'm in to mislead. This is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel. Please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love.
UK banks HSBC, nationwide to ban crypto purchases with credit cards, report. United Kingdom banks HSBC Holdings and Nationwide Building Society are banning cryptocurrency purchases via credit cards for retail customers. They join a growing list of banks in the country to tighten restrictions on digital assets. A Bloomberg report on March 2 claims the step back is a response to warnings by UK regulators and scandals surrounding the crypto industry. Nationwide is reportedly applying daily limits of £5,000 $5,965 on debit card purchases of crypto assets, while credit cards will no longer be available for crypto transactions. Customers of HSBC were barred from making crypto purchases with their credit cards last month. This is because of the possible risk to customers, HSBC wrote in an email seen by Bloomberg. In both cases, the banks pointed to warnings issued by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, about the risks related to crypto assets. Other banks in the UK with restrictions on crypto services are Santander, NatWest Group, and Lloyds Banking Group. Most of the restrictions target the crypto exchange Binance. HSBC banned credit card payments to Binance in August 2021, citing concerns about the exchange's regulatory status in the country. Related, Bank of England has no tech skills to issue CBDC yet, Deputy Governor. Authorities in the UK are cracking down on crypto companies. The FCA proposed in February a set of rules that could subject executives of crypto firms to 2 years in prison if they don't meet certain conditions related to promotion. Crypto asset businesses marketing to UK consumers, including firms based overseas, must get ready for this regime, said the watchdog in a statement. The financial authorities stated that all crypto exchange providers, including crypto ATM operators, must be registered and comply with money laundering regulations. A highly anticipated consultation paper for the UK's upcoming crypto regulation was recently released. The proposals aim to establish the UK's financial services sector at the forefront of crypto and avoid strict control measures that have gained traction worldwide. The document covers a wide range of topics, including algorithmic stablecoins, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and initial coin offerings, (ICOs).
Even when you're low, you can let me know. You know I will show. Now we're sipping the Bordeaux. With you through it all, winter through the fall. You just make the call, yeah, I'm in it for it all. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love. to mislead. This is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel. Please just say it's real. More than just a
Bitcoin leverage ramps up as BTC's margin long to shorts ratio hits a record $2.5 billion high. Crypto traders urged to create leverage positions with Bitcoin, BTC, appears irresistible to many people, but it's impossible to know if these traders are extreme risk takers or savvy market makers hedging their positions. The need to maintain hedges holds even if traders rely on leverage merely to reduce their counterparty exposure by maintaining a collateral deposit in the bulk of their position on cold wallets. Not all leverage is reckless. Regardless of the reason for traders' use of leverage, currently there is a highly unusual imbalance in margin lending markets that favors BTC longs betting on a price increase. Despite this, so far, the movement has been restricted on margin markets because the BTC futures markets remained relatively calm throughout 2023. Margin markets operate differently from futures contracts in two main areas. Those are not derivatives contracts, meaning the trade happens on the same order book as regular spot trading, and unlike futures contracts, the balance between margin longs and shorts is not always matched. For instance, after buying 20 Bitcoin using margin, one can literally withdraw the coins from the exchange. Of course, there must be some form of collateral, or a margin deposit, for the trade, and this is usually based on stable coins. If the borrower fails to return the position, the exchange will automatically liquidate the margin to repay the lender. The borrower must also pay an interest rate for the BTC bought with margin. The operational procedures will vary between marketplaces held by centralized and decentralized exchanges, but usually the lender gets to decide the rate and duration of the offers. Margin traders can either long or short. Margin trading allows investors to leverage their positions by borrowing stablecoins and using the proceeds to buy more cryptocurrency. When these traders borrow Bitcoin, they use the coins as collateral for short positions, which means they are betting on a price decrease. That is why analysts monitor the total lending amounts of Bitcoin and stablecoins to understand whether investors are leaning bullish or bearish. Interestingly, Bitfinex margin traders entered their highest leverage long/short ratio on February 26. Bitfinex margin Bitcoin long/shorts ratio. Source: Trading View. Historically, Bitfinex margin traders are known for creating margin positions of 10,000 BTC or higher quickly, indicating the participation of whales and large arbitrage desks. As the above chart indicates, on February 26, the BTC/USD long, bulls, margin demand outpaced shorts, bears, by 133 times, at 105,300 BTC. Before 2023, the last time this indicator reached an all-time high favoring longs was September 12, 2022. Unfortunately, for bulls, the result benefited bears as Bitcoin nosedived 19% over the following 6 days. Traders should cross-reference the data with other exchanges to ensure the anomaly is market-wide, especially since each marketplace holds different risks, norms, liquidity and availability. OKX, for instance, provides a margin lending indicator based on the stablecoin/BTC ratio. At OKX, traders can increase exposure by borrowing stablecoins to buy Bitcoin. On the other hand, Bitcoin borrowers can only bet on the decline of a cryptocurrency's price. OKX stablecoin/BTC margin lending ratio. Source: OKX. The above chart shows that OKX traders' margin lending ratio increased through February, signaling that professional traders added leveraged long positions even as Bitcoin price failed to break the $25,000 resistance multiple times between February 16 and February 23. Furthermore, the margin ratio at OKX on February 22 was the highest level seen in over 6 months. This level is highly unusual and matches the trend seen at Bitfinex, where a strong imbalance favored Bitcoin margin longs. Related, can Bitcoin reach $25,000 again in March 2023? Watch Market Talks Live. The difference in the cost of leverage could explain the imbalance. The rate for leverage BTC longs at Bitfinex has been almost non-existent throughout 2023, currently sitting below 0.1% per year. In short, traders should not panic, considering the cost of margin lending remains in a zone that is deemed healthy, and the imbalance is not present in futures contracts markets. There may be a plausible explanation for the movement, which did not happen overnight. For instance, a possible culprit is the rising cost of stablecoin lending. Instead of the minimal rate offered for Bitcoin loans, stablecoin borrowers pay 25% per year on Bitfinex. That cost increased significantly in November 2022 when the leading derivatives exchange FTX and their market maker Alameda Research blew up. As long as Bitcoin margin markets remain extremely unbalanced, traders should continue monitoring the data for additional signs of stress. Currently, no red flags are raised, but the size of the Bitfinex BTC/USD longs, $2.5 billion position, should be a reason for concern. The views, thoughts and opinions expressed here are the authors alone and do not necessarily reflect or represent the views and opinions of Cointelegraph. This article does not contain investment advice or recommendations. Every investment and trading move involves risk, and readers should conduct their own research when making a decision.
Don't want to mislead, this is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel, please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. 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 Even when you're low, you can let me know. You know I will show. Now we're sipping the Bordeaux. With you through it all, winter through the fall. You just make the call, yeah, I'm in it for it all. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. 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 For the love. I'm in it 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 for the love. Don't want to mislead. This is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel. Please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. 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 through the fall. You just make the call, yeah, I'm in it for it all. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. 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 For the love. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love. Don't want to mislead, this is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel, please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. 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 For the I'm in it for the love. 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 Even when you're low, you can let me know. You know I will show. Now we're sipping the Bordeaux. With you through it all, winter through the fall. You just make the call, yeah, I'm in it for it all. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. 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 For the I'm in it for the I'm in it for the Don't want to mislead, this is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel, please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. 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 For the love. sipping the Bordeaux. With you through it all, winter through the fall. You just make the call, yeah, I'm in it for it all. I'm in it for the loving, cause loving needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the loving, cause loving needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. 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 For the love. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love. Don't want to mislead, this is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel, please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the loving, cause loving needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the loving, cause loving needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. 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 For the love. I'm in it 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 for the love. Even when you're low, you can let me know. You know I will show. Now we're sipping the Bordeaux. With you through it all, winter through the fall. You just make the call, yeah, I'm in it for it all. I'm in it for the loving, cause loving needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the loving, cause loving needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. 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 For the love. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love. Don't want to mislead, this is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel, please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the loving, cause loving needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the loving, cause loving needs to touch it. You're pressing on my buttons, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. 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 For the love. sipping the Bordeaux. With you through it all, winter through the fall. You just make the call, yeah, I'm in it for it all. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my body, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my body, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. 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 For the love. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love. Don't want to mislead, this is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel, please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my body, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my body, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. 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 For the love. I'm in it 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 for the love. Even when you're low, you can let me know. You know I will show. Now we're sipping the Bordeaux. With you through it all, winter through the fall. You just make the call, yeah, I'm in it for it all. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my body, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love, cause love it needs to touch it. You're pressing on my body, babe, let me tell you something. I'm in it for the love. 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 For the love. I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love. Don't want to mislead, this is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel, please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the love, cause love it